MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on the right platform. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. This particular strategy is made up of few indicators that I've combined together for this MetaTrader4 strategy. Before you take any trade, please make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there is any news concerning any currency or pair you want to trade at that particular time, so that you will not be trading against the news, because the news can affect your technical analysis. And that is why it is important that you check news, the Forex Factory, before you take any trade at all. Please do that. Do not forget to do that before you take any trade in the morning or anytime you want to trade. Please check the Forex Factory first thing to do in the morning before you take any trade. Now let me show you how to use this particular winning strategy. And before I go home, you can use this particular strategy on any pairs you want to trade. This can be used on the Australia US dollar, Euro USD, on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doji, and the other coins like Litecoins. And you can trade any pairs you see on your broker. And let me show you my broker here. This is on the indices, and I have a lot of indices to pick from. This is US 30 cash, IT 40 cash, Australia 200 cash, JP 225 cash, US 100 cash, that's US Tech, US 500 cash. We have a lot of UK 100 cash. We have a lot of indices to pick from, and you can use trade any pairs you want at all. This particular strategy can be used on gold also. And do not forget that this strategy can be used on the stocks market. So make sure you use it and try it out on any pairs you want to trade. Now let's move on and see how to use this particular strategy. I have like few indicators here, and in the course of this video I'm going to show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Number one things to look out for is this indicator on the indicator window. When we have this signal at this particular point, this is a buy signal. Then check this indicator. This must turn to blue, and the other line here must turn to aqua color for a buy. Then check this particular indicator. If it changed to blue from red to blue, then you can place your trade. At this particular point, we have a set signal. The candles turn to red, but when you check the moving average, it did not cross this line. And when you check this indicator did turn to red at this particular point for a sell. But when you check the last indicator here, this remain entered in the uptrend. So we are not going to take a set trade here, but remain in the uptrend. Then you can enter more when this indicator change to aqua color and blue at this particular point for a buy. So this is how to use this particular strategy. And for a sell, here we have a set signal here generated. This is below this particular value. Then this turn to red, both turn to red here, and we have confirmation here. This is the right signal also to pick from, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high. And the other indicator I do use is this particular indicator. And why I do not explain is that once we have all these indicators in agreement, this will also be in agreement, and that was why I did not explain. But automatically you will have this in confirmation when we have these three indicators in agreement. Now let me show you the settings for all the indicators I use for this MetaTrader4 winning strategy. So these are the indicators that I use for this particular strategy. Since I have a lot of indicators for this particular strategy, it might be difficult for you to set it up one by one. And what I'm going to do, I will drop the template, my template for this particular indicator or this particular strategy. I will drop my template so that you will use my template and have the same chart like mine. So let me just show you if you want to set it up manually, but never to worry, I'm going to give you the templates. These are the period for this particular indicator, and these are the settings, the colors. So this is how I say. If you want to set it up manually, then just follow what you see on your screen right now. Here is another indicators, and these are the colors. Here are this indicator also. That's why I said it might be difficult for you to set it up manually. So there's no need of showing you all the setting, but make sure you use my template. And there's somebody do ask in the comment section that I should show them how to use how to load template, and this is what you are going to do. Now let me show you how to save this particular indicator or strategy as a template. Now just go to this particular point here. Just look at your screen where I circled. Just click on it, and you are going to see save template. So I'm going to save this template right now. I have a lot of templates here, but let me save it just with any value, and this is what I save it with, my template. So immediately you load all the indicators in the indicator folder. I believe you know how to do that. The next thing you need to do is to click on File, open Data folder. If you do not know how to load the indicators, just click on MQL4, double click on it, then open the indicator folder here, and paste all your indicators here. Just right click and paste all your indicators here, and you will have it. Immediately you do that, the next thing you need to do, just go back again. If you be confused, then open Data folder again, template this time around, double click on it and paste your template here. The template I'm going to give you, just right click and paste and close this particular point. Then you can come over to your file again, then open another chart on any chart you want to use this particular template on. Let me pick Great Britain pounds and USD. Then go back to your template right now. By this time you are going to see the template. I save it with this follow 234. Just click on it. The same chart. Yes, it right now we have it on the GU, and this is the signal generated by this particular indicator, and this is how to use it. And this is 1 hour right now, and we have confirmation for this setup at this particular point for a sell, and then we have a buy setup at this particular point also. And this is how to use this MetaTrader4 winning strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. The link to download this particular indicator and the template is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.